Hi friends, welcome back to my art channel. I'm Krishna, and today I'm drawing Peppa Pig in a super fun Halloween costume. If you want to learn how to draw Peppa, make sure to watch this video till the end. I post new art videos every week, so stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. Alright, let's start drawing our Halloween Peppa Pig. First, we're going to make a G-like shape. It's not exactly like a G. We're going to make a curve and then make a little curve. So like one's bigger than the other. And then we're going to extend both of those curves. Maybe you can bring that one a bit up. And we'll make a line coming out from the tiny curve. From here, we'll make another curve. There's a lot of curves. And go up. And another curve. And make a straight line right until there. Now it's time to make Peppa's witch's hat. We'll make a little oval-like shape. And a triangle for her hat. A line in the middle for the little decoration part. And now we'll finish off her nostril. We'll make an oval there and two little ovals inside. Time to make her mouth. I'll make a little smile and some teeth. Her eyes are gonna be two circles. And I'll make her cheeks. Cheeks gonna be big. Two little circles inside for her eyes. And a triangle-shaped body. It's more like a trapezoid. From here, we'll add little witch decorations to her dress. I'll add two little buttons. And then from here, I'll make a straight line. It's like she's wearing a skirt. We'll make the hands, one line with three lines coming out, and another hand. And then these are the legs. And her tail. Now, I think I'll add another button here since there's some room. And it's time to make Peppa's wings. She's wearing like a witch bat costume. We'll make little bumps. And then a big curve going down. Over here, since I don't have room, I'll pretend that it's overlapping behind her head. And the big curve down. There, those are Peppa's wings. And Peppa's wings are done. Looks like Peppa's all finished now, so it's time to color her. We're going to make a little shadow over here with our gray marker, so it looks like she's standing on something. We'll fast forward this part. Let's start coloring.